Hello, my name is Facundo Frau. I'm a civil engineer from Mendoza, Argentina, and this is my final project for the CS50 course. The project is called Blood Alcohol Calculator. It's a Python script that you can use to estimate and calculate how high will be the alcohol concentration in your body after drinking several beverages. And now I'm going to show you how my project works. We run the project through the PowerShell, and then you have a main menu where you can choose several options. We will choose option 1 to calculate for an average person. We can choose between a lot of drinks that are stored in the TXT database. We enter the volume of drink taken, and the program will show you a graph for a male and a female person with average data. The second option will let you calculate the alcohol concentration for a custom person. You can enter your personal data, your height, weight, and gender, and then choose again from the list of drinks, enter the volume, and it will show you the graph of the maximum concentration and how it decreases over time. In this program, there is a SQL database that you can use for register and store your personal data, like your height, your weight, and your gender, along with a username. Then you can use your username in the option number 3 to calculate with your personal data stored in the database, and the graphs will show your name as a username with the corresponding graphics. At last, I'm going to show you the main files that I wrote for this project. The project consists in 3 main Python files. The file helpers contains a lot of functions that I will import and then will help with the calculations, with the connecting with database, with plotting the data. The calculation functions consist in mainly the application of the formula that returns the alcohol concentration, and the third file is the main program.